VnetLPR, automated entry of a pre-notified truck to protected facilities. Notification means granting access to the protected facilities. You decide when and who can enter the business's premises. Notifications can be generated by authorized VnetLPR system users from any place and at any time. All they need is internet access. From security standpoint, the system operates as follows. A dedicated camera reads the license plates of the approaching vehicle. Security can see an event occur in the VnetLPR system, including data such as the license plate registration number, date and time of entry, and whom the driver is visiting. Vehicle's exit is handled automatically too. The security do not need to take any actions to close the event in the system. Having read the license plates, VnetLPR operates and lifts the barriers automatically. The driver does not need to come into contact with the security. Thanks to VnetLPR, you will increase safety, improve smoothness of traffic flow, and reduce labor costs of facility services.